Hello and welcome to this session on make square block by turning using 4 jaw chucks and perform drilling, boring and grooving operation. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now learn the objectives of the session. At the end of the session, you will be able to mark the square in round rod, face the work for squareness to all the sides, drill hole to required size, bore a hole to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 mm, select the recessing tool and cut the recess. Select the round workpiece and ensure that the workpiece is about 65 mm long and 85 mm in diameter. Hold the work in a 3-jaw chuck. True the job as per the procedure discussed in the previous session. Set the right hand facing tool in the tool post. Finish face the work with a facing tool. Reverse the job and hold in a 3-jaw chuck. Face the other end by following previously mentioned job sequences and ensure that the total length of the job is to be 60 mm. Turn and reduce the diameter of the workpiece to 79.2 mm. Apply marking media on the round face. Set the workpiece on a magnetic V block. Measure the diameter of the workpiece by using vernier height gauge. Mark a horizontal line at a distance which is equal to half of the diameter. Rotate the workpiece in such a way that the marked line should be perpendicular to the surface. Mark a horizontal center line at a distance which is half of the diameter of the round bar and is perpendicular to previously marked line. Set the height gauge from the center line of round bar for a distance of 28 mm. Mark a horizontal line which is parallel to center line. Rotate the workpiece for 90 degrees and once again mark the parallel to center line. Continue the above step to mark a square side of 56 mm. Punch the witness mark of square on anvil using dot punch and ball peen hammer. Hold the job in 4-jaw chuck in a vertical position. Set the witness mark parallel to the chuck face. Perform facing operation to remove the extra material to form the side of the square. Repeat the same procedure to face the other 3 sides of a square. Ensure that all faces of the square should be 56 mm side. Hold the workpiece in 4-jaw chuck in such a way that the square should face the tail stalk end. Fix the central drill to the chuck of tailstock and perform drilling operation. Fix the drill bit of size 5 mm to drill chuck in the tailstock. Perform drilling operation to get through hole in the job with 5 mm drill bit. Perform drilling operation progressively with respect to the drill bit fixed in the drill chuck to get a hole of 28 mm for a depth of 30 mm. Apply oil during the drilling operation to remove heat. Fix the boring tool to the tool post. Continue the boring operation to get the final diameter of 30 mm for the length of 30 mm. Fix the grooving tool to the tool post. Cut groove as per drawing with help of grooving tool. Check the dimensions of the finished workpiece. To recap, we have learned to mark the square in round rod, face the work for squareness to all the sides, drill hole to required size, bore a hole to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 mm, select the recessing tool and cut the recess.
So that's all about make square block by turning using 4 jaw chucks and perform drilling, boring and grooving operation. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.